안녕하세요 여러분, Camila here. Today I'll be answering the question, how do you say thank you in Korean? There are different ways to say thank you in Korean. 고마워요 is the standard form that you can use with most people you know and with strangers. Since Korean stresses politeness, let's get to know how to say the phrase in a formal and polite way. You can say 고맙습니다 and 감사합니다. You can say 고마워 if you are thanking someone younger than you or who you are close with. Who are you thankful to? Let us know in the comments below. 감사합니다.